Hi, welcome to this video. This is day 27 affiliate marketing beginner to expert 30 days challenge $1,000. In this video, I am just going to explain to you about how to make a content. I can't explain in detail, or I can't explain lots and lots of words. I can't just type within a small video. So I'll just type a small word, but you should not do that. You should at least add around 4,000 words for a pillar content and 1,000 words minimum for a subtopic content. So I have taken a primary keyword, secondary keyword, and LSI keyword. Now I am typing a topic called how to make a money in blogging. So this is the primary content what I have taken over there, and after writing the title, I am just updating it. Why I am writing this as a title? Because I wanted to add my title in the URL. So I'll just check whether my title has been added in the URL. I'll just go and open that, and I'll just check whether my title has been added in the URL. So I'm clicking the view post. So yes, see there, bloggersign.com/ how to make money in blogging. So my title has been added in the URL, and this is the first rule in content writing. You should add your title in your URL for better ranking in Google search engine. And now I am editing this content in the using Elementor. So I am just changing this as settings to canvas so that it may be plain, and I can start creating my content, start making my content. So page layout, I am just changing it as canvas, Elementor canvas, so that it will become plain. Yes, it has become plain. And now see, please see carefully how to use the Elementor, because most of the people wouldn't have known about how to use the Elementor. Just click the plus button and add your headings there. The headings have been added over there, and I'm just writing the title again, how to make money in blogging. Okay, so I have just dragged the element of heading and I'm just writing the title. Please watch carefully. I'm updating it again. I'm adding the next section. I'm adding a single section, right? And again, I'm going to the elements and I'm adding a image over here. It is not compulsory that the content format should be in the same procedure. You can add images later also. You can add text initially, like that. It depends upon your creativity and your taste. And you can also add videos also, since nowadays it's a voice search is also available. So you can add videos also. So it may also be helpful in ranking in Google search engine. So again, I am just showing you how to add a heading. I'm just adding a heading again. Yes, and I'm adding a title over there, a small subtitle, right? And another one important rule is, please add your primary keyword and secondary keyword is in the first 100 words of your blog. Make blogging your career. It's the subheading, and I'm updating it. I'm scrolling it down. Again, I'm adding a section, and I'm adding a text editor over there. And I just made a small amount of I have just made a small quantity of text. This small quantity of text is not enough for your blog. You should add at least 1,000 words for a post, and 3,000 to 4,000 words for a pillar page. I am just adding a small quantity of text in order to show a demo for you people. That is the reason. So please don't add the same amount of text in your blog also. I'm just adding this images, multimedia data, everything just for a demo kind of purpose. because in 10 to 15 minutes I can't write a complete blog and all. I'll just show you the important rules and important techniques, what are all the things you should do in this blog, and you just follow this. This is more than enough. This 30 days video is more than enough to get $1,000 a month. And if you want to become a master in affiliate marketing, please join my affiliate marketing mastery course, which is in a very low affordable cost. And you can just join the course and you can earn like anything. And I have just made a step by step teaching in my affiliate marketing course. You can join the course and you can earn the money. So selection of my blog, I am just done. Make a research of how to select a blog. Do a keyword research in selection of a blog. I am just making a selection of my blog, and I am updating it. Next, I am adding a section over there, and I'm adding an element, and I'm adding a heading over there. Find the domain, and there you can find the domain. And another subtopic I have added, since it's a matter of how to create money by blogging, I'm just adding a simple procedure. I have already said in a video of 8 steps of blogging. In those 8 steps, I am adding the 8 steps over here, making blogging your career and finding a domain. And after that, once I'm just adding this topic, and I'll just place a screenshot for there. I just copied it and pasted it in headings. And now to make our blog more attractive, you can add screenshots and multimedia content, final words, everything you can do it. Email marketing. About email marketing, you have to say, because in blogging, email marketing plays a vital role, and email marketing is taught in an excellent manner in our course. About email marketing tools, what are all the email marketing tools, how to do a broadcast email, everything I have taught in detail. So you guys, if you want to become a master in affiliate marketing, you can join my affiliate marketing mastery course and you can earn money. So update it. You're finding a blog over there, and I'm adding again, I'm adding an image. And I'm adding a screenshot of GoDaddy. And I'm again adding a section over there. I'm adding a heading. Finding a hosting. I'll just type it as finding a hosting or finding a good hosting. So I'll just write about this text about the hosting company. First, I have just said about domain, and now I am adding a heading, and I'm just writing it as a finding a good hosting company, and adding some text and also a image or a screenshot of the hosting company. So all the things from basics, what is a domain, from what is a hosting to niche selection by different methods, and email marketing, SEO thing, and the last but not the least, email marketing, social media ads, everything has been taught step by step in our affiliate marketing mastery course. And it's in a very small affordable cost. Whoever willing to join the affiliate marketing mastery course can join the course and become a master in affiliate marketing, and other courses will also be updated soon and will also be the quality of the course is in uncompare, you cannot compare with any other courses like that, it will be there. And I'm adding another section, I'm updating it. Text editor, I'm adding it again. I'm just adding some small issue. The text should not be a wall of text and all. It should not be as wall of text, it should be in a short paragraph. I already mentioned to you, and I'm just telling about the most five factors. And now I'll just copy this hosting company called Green Geeks. I have just pasted it over here. And now I have placed it here. And again I'm adding a heading over there. Sir, it's not compulsory to follow the same format. You can follow a different format. It depends on your creativity and your creative thinking, right? I'm just showing you a basic thing how to write a content and what are all the things to be added, that's it, right? And now I'm just typing it as a hosting company as Green Geeks. And now I'll just add a screenshot for Green Geeks. And I'll just drag an element of image, so that I'll add a screenshot of Green Geeks. I'll go inside. I'll just select a Green Geeks image. I have already inserted in insert media, and I'm inserting it. The next I'll just type it as update plus. So I'm adding it as heading HostGator. I'm adding another hosting company called HostGator, and I'll add a screenshot also. I'm repeating again and again. Please don't follow the same procedure how to write a content. You can, it depends on your creativity, and don't only write small quantity of text. You should not write a very high quantity of text, and the text content should not be as a wall of text. It should be in a very short paragraphs. That is the most important thing. So HostGator is there. So I'll just copy in HostGator. In this link, you can copy and paste the affiliate links. So this is the method to copy an affiliate link and place it over. Just click the image. There will be a click. You just click select custom URL and place your link in the image content. Now I have done it. You just see that, and you can do the same for how to embed your affiliate links in your images. The next one, what I'm just going to do is, I've added a section, I'm updating it. So this is the same procedure what you have to follow in each and every content. You have to add a heading, multimedia text. You have to add in first 100 letters of primary. You have to add the primary keyword. You must add the heading in your URLs. You should not follow the same procedure. You can make it different, but these are all the must things what you have to do. Add a multimedia or images, tag, headings, add URLs, LSI keywords, everything you have to add in your content. And this making of content is done by 20 to 20 videos in my affiliate marketing mastery course, and it is done in detail and step by step procedure. So this is how it our content now it looks. So if you are interested, you can join and become an affiliate master in the marketing mastery course. And these are all the things it has been followed, and this is the way how to write your content. So these are all the methods to be followed, and please add some more text. The text should not be so less. If for pillar pages it should be at least 3000 to 4000 words. For subtopic pages it should be 1000 to 200 2000 pages 2000 words. So I have just shown this video just as a demo for you guys purpose, for a demo purpose only. Don't follow the same thing. This is the just follow certain rules to be followed while writing a content. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, see you.